We'll guide you through how to use the Replit mobile app to code on the go. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Replit mobile app on your device. Once you're in, you'll see the home screen with your recent projects. To start a new project, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. You'll be prompted to select the language you want to code in. Choose from popular languages like Python, JavaScript, or HTML. After selecting the language, you can enter a name for your project and then tap on Create. Now you're in the coding environment. The screen is split between the code editor and the output console, making it easy to write and test your code simultaneously. To run your code, simply tap the play button at the bottom. If you need to switch between files, use the file navigator on the left side. You can tap on different files to open them in the editor. To collaborate with others, tap on the share icon and invite your friends or colleagues by entering their email addresses. You can also change your code's visibility settings from private to public if you want to share it with the community. If you ever want to return to the main menu, tap on the Replit icon at the top left. This will allow you to access your other projects or start new ones. Remember, the mobile app is designed to give you the flexibility to code anywhere, anytime, with all the essential features you need. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.